how to program bending with the Delem DA66S system. This is the new Delem DA66S system. Since the DA66T system has been discontinued, the DA66S will now completely replace the DA66T system. Now let's begin explaining the DA66S. First, click Products. Then click New. There are two programming methods. The first is graphic programming, and the second is data programming. First, select Graphic Programming Product. Name the product DH01. Here you can add a customer description. For example, that this product is for customer ABC. Input sheet thickness 1.2 mm. This is where you select materials: steel, aluminum, zinc, stainless steel. Select material number 1. This is the bending length. For example, the sheet length is 1,500 millimeters. This is the outer dimension and inner dimension. When using inner dimensions for bending, thickness will not be deducted. When using outer dimensions, the thickness will automatically be deducted during bending. Below are some calculation applications, all of which are turned on by default. Now you can edit the drawing. For example, input length 100 millimeters, bend upward. Input 30 millimeters, bend to the left, and finally input 15 millimeters. The product drawing is now complete. The next step is selecting the tooling. In the tooling library, switch to the punch you are currently using. Similarly, in the tooling library, select the current die you are using. After selecting, click the bend sequence. Click Auto Calculation. The system has calculated the blank's unfolded length. You just need to cut the sheet according to the size. You can now simulate the bending process. The bending is fine. Click Program to begin programming. Click Auto, then switch to the first step. Click Run. Start bending. Press the foot pedal. First bend. Second bend. Then back to the first bend. This is graphic programming. Next, we will demonstrate data programming. Click Products. Again, click New. Select the second option. Name the product DH02. Here you can add a customer description. For example, that this product is for customer QWE. This is where you set the bending mode. There is depth programming and angle programming. Normally choose angle programming. Enter bending thickness of 1.2 millimeters. This is the material selection. Steel, aluminum, zinc, stainless steel. Select material number 1. Click Accept. Select the punch from the tooling library that you are currently using. Similarly, choose the die from the tooling library that you are currently using. Click Program. Enter the bending length 1,500 millimeters. Bending angle is 90 degrees. If there are two bends, first, bend the x-axis of the trailing material from the first cut by 15 millimeters. After confirming the angle and dimension, add another bend. The second bend is now created. This is the first bend, and this is the second bend. The second bend will default to a copy of the first bend's data. You can change the second bend to 30 millimeters. The angle is still 90 degrees. You can add another bend. Now there are 3 bends in total. Change the third bend's angle to 135 degrees. Change the back gauge dimension to 200 millimeters. The 3 bends are now completed. Click Auto and go to the first bend. Press Run. Press the foot pedal. First bend. Switch to the second bend. Switch to the third bend. After the 3 bends are completed, it will return to the first bend. This is data programming. We have demonstrated 2 programming methods. One is graphic programming and the other is data programming. Thank you for watching.